The number one question I get asked as an attorney practicing immigration law is, how do I get a green card? I want to come and stay in America, or I'm already here in America, and how do I get a green card? Well, right behind me is 26 Federal Plaza, where hundreds of thousands of people have their interviews for their green card. And I want to talk about one type of interview process for an application that I've helped hundreds of my clients submit and get green cards, which is based upon a marriage petition for a green card. Hi, my name is Mohammad Saleem. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing immigration law for over 10 years. And in this video, I want to explain to you really quickly the process for how a person who's in America on a visa, whether it's a B1 visa, F1 visa, or any other type of visa, generally may be able to adjust their status for a green card application so they can stay in America and get a green card. I just did one earlier. I want to tell you a little bit about what that process is for my client. My client came to America in 2015 on a visit visa, wanted to stay here to study, was able to transition onto an F1 visa, and then become a student at a local college in New York. During that time period, he was studying, he was going to school, maintaining legal status, and he met somebody that he fell in love with. They had an incredible wedding, they got married, and she filed a petition. She's a U.S. citizen. She filed a petition to sponsor him to get his immigration status adjusted so he could be in the United States and go from the F1 student status to the green card status. And earlier today, we just did the interview for him before USCIS officers. Everything went well. They're going to make a decision on his case within the next couple of months or so, and he'll get a conditional green card because his marriage has been less than about within 2 years or so. So in that process, a person files a petition, which is the I-30 petition for an alien relative, along with the adjustment of status application. You can file both of them same time if the petitioner is a U.S. citizen. So that was submitted on his behalf through my office. We waited for biometrics. He got a work permit at the time. He started working. He has a really good job now at a financial services company. And he had his interview today, and it went well. And he makes enough money to be able to actually support himself. So the affidavit support part wasn't even a problem for him. But the key point that I want to emphasize is that you've got to establish that you're in a bona fide marriage. A lot of people say, hey, if I marry somebody, can I get a green card? No, it's not that simple, because immigration officers will check to verify that this is a bona fide marriage and look for evidence that you want to make sure you have a lawyer who helps you prepare the application to properly get the case adjusted so that there's no problems at the interview and there's no problems in them making a favorable decision on your behalf.